Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss what happens when you block someone on Instagram. Okay, so let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's begin. So guys, I am on my Android phone, but if I'm going to show you my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. So first, I'm going to open my Instagram account. So this is my Instagram account, guys. Okay, so here you can see I have using three option account. So I will block this account from this account. So this is my username netcast demo new. So I just click here netcast demo new. I have to find an account demo new. Okay, so this is my account. Okay, so netcast demo new. Okay, so actually I already blocked him. So I just find out netcast demo 4. Okay, another account netcast demo 4. Okay, so it is, yeah, if I block it, I have to click on this three dot and this option become, it will be blocked. So here you can see when you trying to block someone, if you or while the blocking, you will see the two options like block netcast demo, the username, and new account they may create. So these options will be blocked existing account, and if they create new account with the same email id or same phone number or same mobile, so it will be also blocked by default. Okay, so if you want to make new account block, so you can click on it. But if you want to block only this username, if they create new account, they can follow you or they can see your post. So you can tick it if you want to block only this account. So if you want to block all account they created, you have to click on this. So if you block it, so netcast demo 4 blocked. So this is my account, so I just switch by this account. Okay, to see how we can, how it's work, what happened. So this is my account, and I'm going to show, I have to switch this account and see this account. Okay, net. Okay, so this is netcast demo 4. So I just switch account, and here if I search netcast demo 4, so this is my profile. And 1 second, what was that? Netcast demo 2, sorry, netcast demo 2. So so you can see I can't find this account. Okay, so if when you block someone, it will be not able to check your profile by searching your username. If they have old chat, they maybe, if they have old chat with you, maybe they go to the chat, and if they click on your chat, and if they click on view profile, that also maybe your profile will be view but your post will be not view. Okay, this, okay, so I block this account, this is for example. But if if you block someone, it will be, so it will be not able to see you the your account. Okay, so that's happen if you block someone. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.